Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website www.polynk.com. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be covering the various aspects of the web forming collector. So there are two types of web forming collectors. One is a belt type and the other is a roller type. The belt type web forming collector consists of a mesh belt conveyor and a suction fan. It is an integrated body that receives, absorbs, forms, and transports fiber filaments. The function of the suction device is to make fibers sprayed from the spinneret onto the collector well and exhaust hot air in order to cool the product. The belt type web forming collector can be divided into a horizontal type and a vertical type. When the airflow is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, it is called horizontal reception. And when the airflow is parallel to the horizontal plane, it is called vertical reception. So the picture below is a vertical web forming collector. The airflow of the web forming collector is parallel to the horizontal plane. All the machines can be arranged on the ground without any complicated steel structure and hanging systems. This kind of web forming collector is for products with a width of less than 600 millimeters. The horizontal type web forming collector consists of a frame, drive, web belt, correction device, tension device, movement device, as well as a suction fan. The mold of this type is vertically downward. The extruder is put on a platform and the central height of the machine is high. The advantage is that the direction of hot air and the material flow are both vertically downward and are not affected by their own weight. The receiving distance between the mold and the web forming machine can be adjusted at any time on the system. The suction power of the suction fan can also be adjusted at any time. It is controlled by frequency conversion, and the wind pressure is also easily adjustable. The distance between the mold, die, and web forming collector is about 200 to 300 millimeters and adjustable. The ratio of suction pressure and hot air pressure is 1 to 1.5. The mesh belt is made by PET materials. They are easily broken and they are vulnerable to high temperatures. So the roller type web forming collector has a roller with a mesh porous structure on the surface for small melt blown equipment. It is driven by a motor and the inner cavity is a round cage and the deflector is set to achieve uniform and controllable axial air suction. The airflow channel of the suction fan is connected to the outer layer of the roller by the inner tank. The draft airflow is sucked away by the suction fan through the mesh structure. Then it is removed from the rotating roller under the action of winding. The advantage is that the fiber web is quickly and evenly intercepted on a low temperature metal mesh. This porous metal mesh will immediately cool down and use its own heat to form melt-blown fabrics. Because the amount of air suction can be controlled uniformly, the fibers sprayed from the spinneret can be evenly distributed on the mesh cage. The thickness levels of fabrics are uniform and they can be adjusted by distance between the two round cages. So we're finished here. Thanks for watching. Next section is about the electric processing system, and it will truly help us understand why some face masks don't have good filtering. We will look at the main functions of this machine and hopefully answer any questions you may have. See you next time.